deactivate. Didn't say motor deactivate.
Motor deactivate. I was hidden by a spell to make me look like I was dead, but I wasn't. Wow. Yay! I'm back to normal. That's definitely like a swordfish.
Shark. What?
Just a swordfish.
Come on, Daniel, you're missing something.
Oh, thanks. I've left them here all night. Thanks, David.
Daniel, look. No hands. Daniel, look. I'm moving with no hands. And now no feet.
Dad, what if we didn't have any nose? Then we wouldn't have to hold our nose. Got in my eyes. No! It fell!
I got it.
Can I use yours?
No.
Please.
They're tanning up.
No, they're sixing up. Please, butt to foot.
Where is it? I couldn't find it.
Here, probably underneath.
Is that it?
What? Yeah. Was it? Was it? Oh, here.
Nice try, Daniel.
No! David! You
What?
knocked them out of my hands and it's down to the bottom!
Sorry. Couldn't resist.
Right there they are! Thanks. David again!
Daniel. Here.
Motor activate!
No. Where to, sir?
Anywhere that you want.
Okay. Down we go.
Oh no!
Just kidding.